your AC motor. Shaft turns the generator. Generator has a alternator. The stator is a stationary copper circuit. It just says stationary copper circuit, but it's part of the stator. It's actually an external circuit, but it's the stator because it's on the outside of the alternator. You have your electric AC generator at 6,000 volts, 1,000 amps, which is 600, 6,000, 1,000 watts. Can't pronounce that. That'd be like 6 million actually. I think so. Or yeah. Actually no, a little bit less than 6 million. Maybe actually it's 7 numbers, so 6 million. Anyways, AC goes into the base of the Tesla coil. Shoots a spark through a mile-long solar panel enclosure. I call it the solar panel box. Here's your solar panel tunnel box. The Tesla has moved up the spark to 18,000 volts, 333 amps, and it shoots a mile-long spark. See, mile-long solar panel tunnel box for a spark that's sparked out, given electrical charge because of the Tesla coil has a step-up voltage times 3 steps. Then the spark goes through the tunnel box to a Tesla coil 2. It's the receiver coil. It's the same thing as the first Tesla coil, except for it's going to be receiving the electrical spark and working in the opposite reverse method, going from the toroid into the coil into the base, transverting the electrical energy back to the base electricity, which was 6,000 volts, 1,000 amps. It goes into the commutator of a motor, or actually no, this one is different. The amps go into a flashlight. So you have 6,000 volts and 1,000 amps go into a large flashlight inside of a solar panel box. The solar box has a junction box, and it is also a second output. Your solar box will get 90% of 6 that would be about, it should be 7, let's see, 6,000, I'm not sure, I forget how to read 7-digit numbers, but it is 533 133,333 watts is 90% of that number there. Your solar panel box gives 90% of the input. So again, there's the same statement. That's how many watts. Here's 1,609 solar panels times 4-sided solar panel tunnel. 4-sided solar panels. So that's 6,439 solar panels per mile to make this box right here. And your total is 6,439 solar panels per mile in a solar panel tunnel. Then we're going to take 6,439 solar panels times 2,000 watts per solar panel equals another number. Or you could take the math that I've given here and just put 90% of 6,000 is 0.9%. So you have two inputs, is your solar panel tunnel box, which is 5,333. Okay, it's a 7-digit number. Watts. I'm bad at numbers sometimes. And here is your electricity of your flashlight, which is 90% of the top number, which is your 7-digit number below. 5333333 watts. So you have two inputs, the same number, this input, and also this same number, the same numbered input for the first sequence. And you have your generator input, which is just your motor input, because the motor provides the electrical input for the generator. So you add those two numbers together, and you minus your input, which is the motor is run at 6,000 thousand. It's like million, 6 million watts. Okay, thank you for watching my video, because just these two numbers added together minus 6 million watts should give you about 3 million in free electricity. Thanks.